Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 14 to 20, 2025. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe na rin to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see. Anong energies for you this week? Taurus. April 14 to 20. Oh, second house. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring kayo ay magfo-focus sa inyong kaperahan, sa resources ninyo, sa inyong sources of income. This is also yung mga bagay na binavalue ninyo. Pwede ring talents ninyo, skills ninyo na bibigyan nyo ng attention for this week. You also have Vesta, Hearth, which is your passion. I think yung iba sa inyo meron kayo ipupursue na passion ninyo. Yung talagang gustong-gusto nyong gawin. And I think ito ay mamomonetize ninyo. So, example, mahilig kayong kumanta. So, pwede nyo mamonetize yan. Gagawa kayo ng mga covers or any talents and skills ninyo. Also, the first house, which is about yourself. So, talagang this week is also focused on yourself. Focus ka sa pagpapaunlad ng iyong sarili, ng kakayanan mo, and also pagpapalago ng iyong kaperahan. Pinapalago mo ang iyong kaperahan. Pwedeng meron kang madidiscover na bagong source of income. So, you're going to try it out. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong pagkakagastusan para sa sarili ninyo. This can be glow up, no? Magpapaayos kayo ng buhok. Magpapakulay kayo. Yung iba gusto nyo kulay ng buhok nyo pink. O kaya reddish or alam mo yung tipong pagka-blonde. So this is taking care of yourself, taking care of your needs. Let's see what else. You have the Page of Cups, the Ace of Wands. So, ayun na nga. Talking about your passion. Talagang ngayon, gagawan nyo na ng action yung mga pangarap ninyo, yung mga ini-imagine nyo dyan na gusto nyong gawin, isakatuparan. Yung iba naman, this can be about attracting someone. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayo ina-attract na person. So, syempre, para ma-attract yung tong person na to, kailangan nyo rin mag-effort para maging attractive kayo. So, talagang ine-effortan ninyo yung pagpapasaayos ng inyong sarili. You also have the Knight of Pentacles and the Death card, which is transformation. So, you are transforming yourself. Tinatransform mo yung sarili mo financially. Pwedeng may nagbabago sa sources of income mo. Yung iba, may planong mag-resign. So, maaring this week, magre-resign ka na talaga. Or, magdadagdag ka lang ng bagong source of income. Kasi you are really aiming for ang goal mo is magkaroon ka ng stability financially. You have, the Star, diba? The Star is about your hopes, your dreams. So, talagang determinado ka na i-pursue yung iyong pangarap, i-pursue yung iyong mga plano. This is also about healing. So, kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng financial challenges in the past, unti-unti nakaka-recover na kayo kasi may mga opportunities na nag-open up sa inyo. The moment na kayo mag-take ng action, diba? You have the Eight of Pentacles, which is about working hard, no? Doing the work. Parang ayaw nyo magpa-istorbo. So, ngayong week na to, focus kayo sa trabaho, sa pag-create ng pera, or meron kayong, yung iba sa inyo, yung pangarap or tina-target ninyo na career, na source of income, ay makukuha nyo ngayong week na to. Kaya parang inaalagaan nyo talaga to. You also have, trials to overcome. I think nagkaroon kayo ng crisis in the past. Pwede tong financial crisis or parang feeling mo hindi ka nabibigyan ng opportunity. But this week, you are going to take action, no? Or within a few days, may made-develop na or mag-unfold, may magbabago sa situation mo within a matter of days. You are breaking free. You are breaking free from your limitations, no? So kung nung mga nakaraan, parang feeling mo limitado ka, wala kang magawa. But I think gagawa ka ng paraan ngayon to be more independent. Ayan, no? It's a yes. It's a yes. You are breaking free. And then itong change na to, mangyayari siya within 2 weeks, no? So, mararamdaman mo na yan, pwedeng magsisimula na yan in a few days. And yung change na yan, mag-unfold yan within a few weeks or within 2 weeks. You are also setting boundaries, no? So, hindi ka na yung tipong open sa lahat ng gustong mag-take advantage sa'yo. Kasi yung iba, pwedeng matulungin, like lagi kayong available para sa iba. But I feel like ngayon, pinipili mo na lang yung mga taong e-effortan mo or sitwasyon na bibigyan mo ng effort. Pag sa tingin mo ay hindi dinedeserve, so hindi mo yun ibibigay. Oo. So, I also see you na talagang porsigido ka na makuha yung gusto mo. Porsigido ka na may magbago sa buhay mo. So, let's see the energy for your money, career, finances. Money, career, finances. For Taurus, you have the 7 of Pentacles. Yung efforts mo ay magbubunga, no? Yung pinaghirapan mo, trinabaho mo, kailangan mo lang ng patience, no? You have to be patient in waiting for fruition, no? Kung kailan yan magbubunga. Ang importante is lumalago siya, nakikita mo lumalaki, no? Nag-grow yung mga sinimulan mo. This can be your, career or your business. You also have the Queen of Wands, so this is tapping into your creative talents and skill set. So, yung iba sa inyo pwede may travel opportunities sa trabaho, like ipapadala ka sa ibang lugar or meron kang aatenan na important event sa work. This is having fun. Okay? You're going to have fun in your workplace or in your career. O, diba? The 4 of Wands, having fun talaga. This is celebration. So, maaring yung trinabaho mo, in-effortan mo, nung mga nakaraang buwan, nakaraang araw, nakaraang linggo, ayan, makikita mo na yung resulta. And yung iba sa inyo, may isi-celebrate kayo. Pwedeng may ma-achieve kayo na goal. Pwedeng ito ay group effort, no? Hindi lang para sa'yo, but also sa mga kasama mo sa trabaho or kasama mo sa proyekto or sa negosyo. Some of you, meron na kayong mapapatupad, no? May magagawa para sa plano nyo sa inyong bahay, kung kayo may ipapaayos sa bahay ninyo. Let's see sa naman. Love life ng mga Taurus. You have the King of Pentacles, so you may be dealing with pareho ninyong earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You have the Ace of Swords, so this is communication. Okay. And then the King of Wands. Oh, 2 people. So, pwedeng energy mo to si King of Pentacles, and there's a person na fire sign na who wants to talk to you Maaring meron kayong magkakaroon kayo ng heart-to-heart talk or masinsinang pag-uusap about your situation, about your relationship. Okay, if you're single, this can be, pwedeng meron kang admirer or someone na nagkakaroon ng interest sa'yo sa trabaho, someone na merong authority over you, so pwedeng boss mo to. Friend, be as good a friend to yourself as you are to others. Yes, minsan kasi kaibigan tayo sa iba, pero sarili natin, kaaway natin. So, you have to be a good friend to yourself first. Okay? May mga pagkakataon kasi na kailangan natin yung sarili natin, na yun yung magbibigay sa atin ng inspiration, 'di ba? Minsan kasi hinahanap natin yan sa labas. Pero mas makakabuti na unahin natin yung manggaling sa atin, yung inspiration na yan. Okay, so that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much and see you again.